In one of the previous videos I showed you how you can use the scene detection. Well, I prepared that and I cut out some scenes. Well, let's say that you have a selection here that you really like and the sequence is good and you would like to use that sequence as a whole in this video or in another video. There's no way you can cut and or copy and paste this selection into another video. So that's not possible. The only way you can do that is export this video, and I'll call it the B-roll best of. I'm not gonna go into the settings right now. I'm just gonna export it. And when it's finished, you will hear a sound reminder. At least that's what I chose. And I can close this window, but I want to find the target first. So I'll click Find Target and it will open up my output folder. And here is my clip. It's still processing. That's why it doesn't show the thumbnail. I'll go back to Filmora and close this window now. So I'm back in my project. So I exported this sequence of B-roll and it's now here, and I'll drag this to the side. If I would refresh my view, it will probably show it. Output again, B-roll best of, there it is. And now this is now a completely new video clip and I can drag this into my project that I'm working on now. And it looks the same because the first clip I haven't changed. But if I drag it down to the timeline, you will see that this is exactly as long as the sequence below. But the difference is, it's one clip. I'll delete, no, I won't delete it. I'll drag it down. Can I drag it down? No. Oh, you see what I mean. It's one clip with the total length of the other ones. And this clip you can save on your drive and use in any other video that you want to use it in. That is how you join clips together